Hey guys, today I've got a Samsung Galaxy S10 and it is in this white color. So there's three sizes, the S10e, the S10 and the S10 Plus. This is the S10. I believe it's like 5.8 inches on the screen, something like that. But just wanted to show you real quick in this video that everything works perfect. We've got a couple of extra cases that it comes with, a real heavy duty OtterBox style, and then we've got a little slimmer profile design case there. So, and then of course we've got the box, charger. It doesn't come with the headphones because we use those and that's just kind of gross to resell those. So and then we've got this here, which is the booklets and all that. We didn't even open that. And then I've got the SIM card remover, which will be in that little booklet thing. And I've got my SIM card I'm going to put in here and show you that this works perfectly. But first I just wanted to show you completely reset. All the Google account information has been taken off of there. So we're going to just kind of blow through these settings real fast and open it up and show you everything inside. So give me a second to skip through this and I'll put my SIM card in and kind of give you a rundown on the phone. Okay, so I skipped through all the accounts and all that because obviously I'm not going to add all that. I'm going to leave it just like this for the buyer to check out. So it's past all that. And then I can show you how to reset it if you want to go through and start fresh, adding all of your Google accounts and all that. But this phone is in mint condition. I actually just stripped off all the plastic that goes around the sides. You can see it right there. All the plastic was on there. I left it on purpose, having it in this case. I put it in this case and didn't like it, then we got it in this case here. So it's in mint condition. There's not a scratch on it. It's got a zag screen protector on it. The self-healing zags, had that put on at Best Buy, I think it was, or Sam's Club, and day one put that on there. So it is in mint perfect condition. And we'll go into, like I said, I put my SIM card in there, if we can see that up there. I'll show you real quick that you can make a phone call. Let's see here. Let me actually look at what I'm doing. Trying to think of a number to call here. So you know it works.
Thank you for calling O'Reilly Auto Parts. This is Sue.
Hey Sue, what time are you guys open till today?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. All right. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're very welcome. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
There you can see, works perfect, and O'Reilly's is open till 10, if you didn't know that. We'll go into the settings here real quick. Okay, we will go into settings now. Let's try this again without showing off my phone number and all that. I just want to go into storage. Of course, it's got a fresh reset on there, but you can see there under storage. So this is a 128 gig model, and some of that is tied up by the operating system, but that's how you know. We're not going to go into the other details. If you have a question on the IMEI or any of that stuff, you can shoot a message to me. They say not to put that stuff in the post, so I don't. But otherwise, now you know, works perfect. You see the camera and all that. Works perfect. So everything works good, and I can meet you at an AT&T store or Cricket store, you know, however you want to do it. If you want to take further steps to verify, that's absolutely fine. And I'll give you the IMEI number, which you can call AT&T and verify with as well, or the guys at Cricket, however you want to do it. I just won't put it in the post. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this very awkward video. Thank you.